brushing each and every bird's nest. This is a bird's nest fungus. They help deal with pancreatic cancer, which is a very painful kind. Each bird's nest must be brushed separately to get the dirt off.
Can I see what one of them looks like close up? Ooh, cool. So it actually looks like a little bird's nest.
And you see these black things are tiny spores.
Oh, cool.
How you know it's a spore is because spores look like spots, whereas gills are shaped more like straight lines that go in and out.
Oh, cool. That's really helpful. Thanks, Jack. So you're gonna find a whole bunch of birds' nests in here and then put those over in this little bucket?
Certainly.
Awesome. And then we'll make extractions and people can take them to help with their health. Sweet.
Of course.
All right. Well, thanks for explaining, Jack.
You're welcome.